Good day everyone, I'm Mr. Alex. Our topic is on basic science and technology. The topic is building. So at the end of this topic, you should be able to define building. Secondly, state materials used in building. Okay, what is a building? Definition of a building. How can a building be defined? It is simply defined as a structure that has a roof and walls, usually a permanent structure. Building materials. What if you are told to explain what building materials are? What comes to your mind? They are those things that are used in building. Examples: we have wood, we have metal, we have cement, we have sand. We also have bricks, concrete, and the rest of them. Then we move on to types of buildings. Types of building. There are various types of building depending on the purpose for which that building is built for. Now, we have residential building. When you talk about residential building, what comes to your mind? Residential building simply means buildings that are meant for people to live in. Then we have educational building. Educational building simply means building that is meant for educational purposes, like a school. Okay, all the buildings in the school environment now, they are educational building. Then we have institutional building. Institutional building, it can be offices, groups of offices that are instituted in a particular location. A building can be used for various offices or departments, or even healthcare, for healthcare delivery. That is institutional buildings. Then we have assembly buildings. Assembly buildings simply means where people gather. It can be a church, it can be a mosque, or it can be an auditorium where people can come together in large number. That is an assembly building. Then we have business building. Business building for carrying out business transaction. That is business building. Buildings that are built for business purposes. There are various types of business, so it depends on which one you want to use it for. Then we have mercantile building. This building is majorly for something that has to do with commerce, buying, selling, and the rest of them. Then we have industrial building. When you talk about industrial building, it entails building of factories that are built for manufacturing purposes. They can be an assembly plant. It can be a building that processes food or some other thing. Okay. Then we also have storage building. Storage building simply means it can be a warehouse. Those buildings that are used to store goods. Those buildings that are used to store goods. So we've come to the end of the class. You can visit the class dojo for your assignments. Thank you.